I'm Creative Crambo, back with another one. Yeah, I'm going to give this Ottoman a brand new look. This one's leather, but it's got loads of stains on there, bits of paint, you know, stuff grinding there. So I'm going to give this a nice freshen up, a nice new look, and I'm going to be painting this as well. Let's have a quick look inside. Yeah, inside's not too bad, not too many scuff marks in there. The bottom's really flimsy though, that's just a little bit of hard board in the bottom there, and I'm going to be strengthening this one up. I'll just take that out there. Yeah, going to be strengthening this one up, and I'm going to be using some 18mm ply. So I've already cut this one to size. I'll just drop that in the bottom there. That should fit in there nice and snug. There's a bug in a rug, and it does. Yeah, so the main reason why I'm strengthening up the bottom is because I'm going to be putting some new legs on there, on the Ottoman. And I bought these nice polished chrome legs. And they're going to sit on the bottom there on the Ottoman. These are 6 inches in height, and I think they're going to be a really nice addition to the Ottoman and bring the Ottoman off the floor. So yeah, we got these to put on, and that's why I was strengthening up inside there. So look, now that's in, that's all good. I can put this bit of hardboard there with the material on back in. I will be painting the inside as well, and I'll probably just keep this black material on there, that trim thing on there, what goes round. I think that'll look nice with the new paint as well. So what I've got to do first is I've got to clean all this off, all the leather off. I'm going to do the lid and all the Ottoman there, the sides, get that cleaned off. What I'm going to be using is some sugar soap wipes, cleans and prepares surfaces prior to decorating. So I'm going to give it a good old wipe off with the sugar soap wipes, and then I'll use a nice cloth there. I'll just dry all that off. And what I will do as well is give it a really light rub down. That's like a 400 grit pad, and I'll just give that a little bit of a rub off as well, just to give the paint a nice key as well. So yeah, going to give the Ottoman a brand new look, and the paint I'm going to be using is the Frenchic Alfresco smudge. So yeah, we're going to be using that. Yeah, so let me clean all this down. Got to give it a good old wipe up and clean up before I start painting, so let me do that. But I think the new legs on there are going to look really good. Yeah, so I've got the Ottoman clean there, and I've got the lid clean, all looking good, ready for some paint on there now. Just going to get the first coat on the lid first, and then I'll do the Ottoman. Yeah, so the first coat's completely dry now. It took about an hour and a half, something like that, so it weren't too bad. But the paint on there for the first coat is laid down there nice and flat on that leather. Must admit, that's looking pretty good already. The Ottoman, yeah, there's a few patches in there, but it's only the first coat. So what I'll do is give this another light rub down. I'll just use the same pad again, give it a really light rub down. There's a few patches on the sides there, but nothing too much to worry about. The second coat will definitely get that. Yeah, so then once I've given it the second coat, then I'll be able to put the new legs on the Ottoman there, and then we'll see how that looks there with the new legs on there as well. So yeah, let me do that. yeah, so the paintwork's all dry now on this Ottoman and the lid. But what I'm going to show you is how I'm going to put my legs on. And bearing in mind, inside there's 18mm ply. I made that quite tight, so that is literally standing up there. And all I'm going to do is position the leg right in the corner, just like that. And then I've already got a screw there ready. I'm going to screw into that ply. Just like that. So I'm down about 5mm from the top, 5mm, I suppose 6mm from the edge. Just put another screw on there. I'll get one in there. So I've got 4 fixings in there. That's in the ply. That's going nowhere. Yeah, that's a really strong job. All I've got to do is get the rest on, same again, keep it down about 5-6mm from the top there and the edge there, and yeah, get them legs on. They look really good. Let me do that. Yeah, got the Ottoman all finished now. Must admit, I'm well pleased with the results there. I've also added a nice Del Monte edge in there. That goes all the way around there. And I've edged it all the top there, you know, framed it all out. Also going down the legs there too. Yeah, and new ring handles on the side there, really effective. The Del Monte all the way around, nice and clean looking there. Nice new ring handles on there. Painted all the inside out as well, and just put a couple of blocks on there just to pick up on. And there's 4 screws in there, so nice and sturdy job. Also, yeah, I put the ply in the bottom there, so that's nice and sturdy too. And you know, you can get some really heavy stuff in there now. And also it's off the floor as well, so you know, really effective. I also added a nice new love heart there, right in the centre, and that just looks the part there, must admit. I'll put the lid on for you. That sits on there nicely. I didn't put nothing on the lid because obviously you can sit on that. You know, it's a really sturdy job now, and must admit, the paint, well, that went on there really nicely. Bearing in mind this is a real leather as well, and the paint was really good. And you know, the Frenchic Alfresco weatherproof inside and out chalk mineral furniture paint, done a great job. It just sort of sits down there really nice on that material there, and well pleased with that. Yeah, so I've also done a step-by-step guide in the description, and also Any questions, you can leave in the comments and I'll definitely get back to you. But overall, well pleased with the look of the new Ottoman. Looks brand new. Absolutely transformed it. And I'm well pleased with that. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.